step into the 2008 Chrysler Aspen. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: auto express down window, center console, multi-function steering wheel, cruise control, reclining seats, adjustable headrests, vanity mirrors, and tachometer. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.